Hi, this is Charlie giving you Monday's market commentary. I hope you're very well. And the title of today's video is Trading is Simple but Not Necessarily Easy. And I've always talked about this. I was reminded of this a few weeks ago when I interviewed Dow, because he brought it up saying what I'd always used to say. And yeah, it is. Trading is a simple concept. You buy at one price and you try and aim to sell at a higher price. That's it. Simple concept. But obviously it's not that easy, because our mindset gets in the way and our fight or flight instinct, which is hardwired into our DNA, gets in the way as well, because we're always searching to be right as often as we can be when it comes to trading, which is not something that we have to be. Obviously we need to be right more often than we're wrong, but we don't have to be right 80-90% of the time. It's nice if we have got strategies that can do that, but we don't have to. And a lot of the time, if you have strategies that do that, then usually they're inverted risk rewards. So then you have the offset of being right a lot of the time, but when you do have your losers, they're much bigger than your winners. And so the being right is not necessarily the right thing to do. And because when you're trying to be right all of the time, you're more likely to bank your winners sooner and all that as well. So trading's simple but not necessarily easy. We have to just remember that all we've got to do when it comes to trading is have a plan and try and simplify what we do as much as possible. And I was just reminded of that last week while I was away skiing. That I was in a couple of trades while I was away, and all I've got is my mobile phone with me with an application, a mobile app on it, just Swiss Forex, which just gives me all the list of what the currencies, all the different markets are doing, and I can just see the prices changing. If I actually want to click on any particular market, it brings up a simple chart, and that's all I've got just on my phone. And it's amazing what you can do just by seeing price action, just prices moving. When you're just checking the markets, once, twice a day, at the beginning and at the end of the day, and maybe have a look at a very simple chart with nothing else on it. And so it just reminds you that sometimes you have to take a step back in your trading and say, am I overcomplicating what I'm doing? Because we're all susceptible to doing that. And so can I actually simplify my trading a little bit? And so I just thought that while I was away last week, I had a couple of nice little trades actually while I was away, and without anything more than just looking at the price action and a simple chart periodically, and I wasn't even checking it really every day because it was more of a swing trade. So just for some food for thought on Monday. I'm not going to record anything more than that, and I'm looking forward to coming back on Friday, do live trading, and so I shall see you then. Food for thought for the beginning of the week. See you on Friday.